Hi, today I will present to you how I set up a simple but beautiful decor for my daughter's first birthday. I will link all the products below. Follow and subscribe to my channel for more DIY tips and tricks. As you can see, the setting up of the decoration starts with putting together the turf. I set up the turf first on the floor, interlocking each piece of the turf, then reinforced it with a zip tie to make sure it won't come apart. After putting together the backdrop, I hang it on the wall with 4 small nails and requires no additional support. For this decoration, the turf size is a bit too short and won't cover all the way down to the floor. The one I have is the 12 piece of a 20-inch by 20-inch artificial plant privacy fence screen panels. You can also use this backdrop for baby showers, photo shoot booths, gender reveals, or any occasion that you find it suitable for your decoration. I will leave the link for the product in the description. Now, this part is done already, so let's move on to the next. Next, I put together the 7 feet backdrop aluminum frame and hold it down with water-filled water bags that prevent it from wiggling around. The balloon is the next step, and it's pretty basic. I am sure you know how to do it. Many have the portable dual nozzle rose electric balloon pump and very helpful in working with balloons. I don't think anyone will attempt to inflate the balloons without it. The pattern and mix of the balloons depend on the events. Hanging the balloons on the circular backdrop ring support requires using zip tie or any other mechanism to hold it firm with the frame. I find zip tie very helpful for this, and you can easily find a cheap seat of zip tie from Home Depot or online for less than $5. We are done with the backdrop and balloons. The Greenery panel backdrop is a bit dull by itself and needs a little bit of bling. For that, the LED Happy Birthday neon sign is perfect and goes pretty well with the backdrop. I will put the link for the neon sign in the description. Next is setting up a table for the birthday cake. These are beautiful dessert cupcake stands, but unfortunately, they may no longer be available on Amazon. The tall, beautiful flower vases I bought from Amazon go really well with the cupcake holders and add beauty to the whole setup.